Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a little vloggy vlog.
Yeah.
Today I got a few things I want to get done. I want to go to the car wash, and I'm going to see about getting a new phone today. Hopefully it works. But I still sound crazy from New Year's Eve. Like, I literally lost my voice, so my voice is gonna sound a little funny in this vlog, but she's coming back. I sound better than yesterday, so that's good. So right now I'm about to head to the car wash, get my car cleaned, and then after that, focus. Then after that, I'm going to see about getting a new phone. So that's really all I got planned for today, but let's go.
Searching for what's right in front of your face, but you can't see it. So you think that you know what's important. Steady chasing your fame and your fortune, but you don't know. You're chasing a dime, losing a treasure. Those dollars don't make sense to me at all. It goes, you give her spending money, but all she wanna spend is time alone. Tonight, keep giving her, but she don't really need that. You're gonna end up alone in a world without love. Why would you do it? It's the simple things in life we forget. You hear her talking, but don't hear what she said. Why do you make something so easy, so complicated? Searching for what's right in front of your face, but you can't see it. It's the simple things in life we forget. You hear her talking, but don't hear what she said.
Okay, I'm finishing up at the car wash. It's freaking freezing outside, so my hands are like, oh, they hurt so bad. But now, oh gosh, I need this to focus. Okay, so now I'm about to head to T-Mobile to see what's up with the phone. So I'll see you there. So I just got back home, and I'm about to do some research on these two phone plans. I currently have a 12 Pro Max, but I'm trying to, basically I just need more storage. So I'm trying to get basically a 15 Pro Max with like 512 gigs of storage. But the way she described it like it was the plan I'm on now, which is like Magenta Max, and then there's this new plan, something Go Plus. I don't really remember the name of it, but either way, she said my bill was gonna go up, so I'm just like, okay, let me at least sit down, crunch the numbers, do the math, and see how much this bill is gonna change. So basically, I was like, I really told her I was gonna just like think on it. I'm gonna get a new phone regardless, but I just need to know what plan I want to go with. So basically, I was like, well, just price everything out, and then I'll see if that's what I'm interested in doing, which plan I'm interested in going with. Because I just feel like I could not make a decision on the spot that I like was sure of. So I was like, let me just take a step back. 2024, new year, new me. So I'm just like, let me, instead of being impulsive, let me take a step back and actually compare the two and see what the main difference is and what the underlying costs are. Especially when it comes like, I mean, I don't want to, but what if I want to upgrade in the future? Like, what is that going to go to? What is that going to look like? So I was like, basically, let me just take a moment and then we'll get back to it. I'll come back. Because either way, she has to order the phone to this, either to the store here or to my house. So I was like, and then I don't get it today either. So I was like, I'm not, just give me some time. That way I can figure out what accessories I want, if I want to buy them through there. Because the accessories she was talking about that I wanted for my phone were like $100. I'm just like, $100 for a screen protector and a freaking phone case. That's insane. So I was like, yeah, just definitely let me take a step back. Let me just go home and let me think about it. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm basically about to just get online, look and see what all is gonna change. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So it's a couple hours later. I definitely fell asleep. I just woke up not too long ago. But I remember my coworker, she gave me all these samples because she used to work at Nordstrom. Shout out to April. So she gave me some Curology, which I have never tried before. She gave me some samples, some perfume samples. Miss Dior. I was thinking about this one like quite a bit. It smells so freaking good. But this one is so much better. I never even smelled this one before, but Tom Ford Cafe Rose. This smells bomb. I usually don't like sweet scents, but this one is so freaking good. Ooh, they did their big one with that. That one smells so freaking good. So I definitely gotta try that. Then she gave me some foundation samples. Bobbi Brown. I've never tried I have their moisturizing primer, but I've never tried their foundations before, so this should be good. So that gave me the Giorgio Armani. I've heard about this, but I've never freaking tried it. Look at the shades. I can't wait to try these. I still gotta clean my makeup brushes. It's the new year and I didn't clean nothing. I just stripped my bed today, so that was fun to see when I got home. Coming home, went and took a nap, but I still took that nap. I just had to take it downstairs in the living room because I was not finna come deal with this. So I was like, I'm gonna just sleep downstairs, which I did. So it is what it is. But I need to change the bedding and everything, but everything is still downstairs. But I see my Stanley. I got it for Christmas. My best friend got the same freaking one. Hers is pink. Like, I literally was asking for the pink one, but my aunt said it was out of stock. So I was like, oh, I'll take the green one because I like the green one too. But I was so like surprised. Like, I don't know how we always sync up and end up with the same stuff, but she got the pink one and I got the green one. So my sister called us Cosmo and Wanda, of course. But I just thought that was so dope. Hopefully y'all see her in this vlog. But I think I might wash my hair tonight. I don't know, that sounds like a long process, but I think it'll do me good because I really want to wash my hair. But I've just been freaking tired. The holidays has done a number on me, so yeah, I might just do that, wash my hair, blow it out, give it a little pressy press. That sounds like a good idea. So yeah, I might wash my hair, might not, I don't know. We shall see. I'm about to do something because there's nothing for me to do really. So I just been really chilling today for the most part. I did get my car washed. It looks so clean. I should show y'all, but y'all kind of saw a little bit of it earlier, so it's not that bad. But it's so clean. Oh, no boss. But yeah, I'm not doing nothing, just checking in. But it's the next day. It's Wednesday. I went to work today, so I didn't vlog any of that. I worked from 9:15 to 5:15, so not that bad, nothing too bad. But I haven't been doing nothing today. I pretty much just worked and came home, so today was very boring. So I didn't vlog much. I didn't get much. I still didn't make the bed. Still a mess. But I did press my hair out, so that came out cute. Let me set it up. Let me set it up very nice. And She came out bomb. It's giving. I've gotten so good at like doing my own silk presses because I'm not paying $1,000 for a silk press. So I've been learning to do my own, and let me just say, it has been eaten. It looks so shiny. It looks so much better now that I clip my ends, because I didn't clip my ends at first and it was looking kind of janky. But now I feel gorgeous. I feel like a it girl. So since I didn't do anything today, I'm probably gonna go out tomorrow since I get paid. Jesus. So probably go out to some stores, get some food, go to the grocery store, do a few things. I'm still tired from work, literally. So probably won't do nothing much tonight. But I will. So I decided to start watching Euphoria again. Since it's like, I have like go-to like comfort shows, and for some reason I always like rewatch Euphoria, most of the time Sex and the City, and The Golden Girls. Like, I just watch these same shows over and over and over again. I never get tired of watching them, so I'm just like, I need to find me some new shows, some new movies. Like, I want to start watching like documentaries and stuff, but I don't know, I'm so picky. Like, I get into this habit of watching the same stuff over and over again. So I'm just like, every time I'm trying to find something new to watch, I always go back to the old stuff. I can't help it. I'm trying. Well, this year I'm gonna give it a try to stop watching the same stuff over and over again. But I just watched The Notebook, and tell me why I was in here really like getting emotional, like crying, cause it was so sweet to think that two people love each other that much. Oh my gosh, I'm so cringy. But that movie made me cry every time. Oh, I gotta get it together. But yeah, I'm not doing much of anything today.
Living a fantasy, I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy, the ladies as pimps tonight. Living inside a dream, I say where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
What's up, you guys? It is Saturday, and me and my bestie are about to go to the hair store because I'm getting my hair done today. The silk press is kind of cute, but I'm kind of tired of it. Ready for it to go. This is how quick I switch my hair in real freaking life. So we're gonna go to the hair store and find me a new hairstyle. So what y'all thinking? What y'all think it's giving? Cause my hair is already like long. Like, it's grown so freaking much. So what y'all think I should get? I'm feeling like I want something with some color, and maybe a bob. I don't know. My hair is technically already a freaking bob, low key. I don't know what I want yet. We're gonna let the hair store tell us what I want. So we're gonna go to the hair store, and yeah, see you when we get there. Hey guys. Subscribe. Like, comment, and
Like what you could, I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my good. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm heaven sent. Sex game goes stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, to tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly.
y'all, we got 2 packs. The C, it's kind of like a brownish color.
You need me help out?
No, I'm good. And then this one, it's brownish color. So like 4, and then C4 27. So it's kind of cute. It's so good. Hair stores are for the girls. The girl.
I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. Oh, I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world. You
Inside the 44, first down and 5 as Josh Downs now has a franchise rookie record with 66 catches this season.
And the price is not that bad.
Look, give me the hottest sauce y'all got.
Oh, they got ultra wide.
That's the 4th penalty in the Houston defense.
I get the 10-piece traditional wings with spicy garlic and french fries. And is it an extra charge to add on carrots? Okay, can I get carrots? Ranch.
I'm so
Dang, I like yours better. I'ma steal yours and delete mine.
Repost.
Mine didn't look as aesthetic. So nasty. So nasty. So rude.
Make you want to be like, open it again.
Y'all, I got my hair done. I don't know how to act.
I love the pressure.
I don't know how to act. My hair ain't been done.
They good.
Y'all. My bestie a hairstylist.
Stop opening. Your start, your fry. If this is extra sauce, I want to know what regular sauce look like.
That.
Thank you.
They play man. They've got a shot on the deeper flag route, but Stroud under a little bit of pressure just